Yes. It looks so good with it so low.
Oh, Jesus Christ. David, you remember when we said we were doing this car, we weren't going to stance it? We were going to do stupid.
Yeah, no, performance stance, okay?
You guys argue like a married couple.
We are a married couple.
You are a married couple. Anyways, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, we're doing stupid stance stuff today to the S15.
Stupid stance. We're gonna coherently explain things because you need to work on that.
Yeah.
Holy.
Wait, what happened?
Yeah.
I was watching your video explaining the like, no offense, but like really like. Watching you explain,
Typical
like,
white guy thing. No offense. I'm just gonna say something
what were you
offensive.
explaining? With a map. You're explaining what a map does. And I was like, what is this guy saying right now?
When did I explain what a map does?
You were cleaning Brit's map.
Oh yeah, because I was just like, oh yeah, it like tells the air and
based on how much, and I'm like,
yeah.
dude.
I don't know what a map does.
You need to write down what you're gonna say first. Just basic bullet points, so that when you explain it,
You know what the best part is? I have no idea what a map does. I was just like, oh, I should probably say what it does, but I don't know. What are we doing today, Bucko?
Stupid stance stuff.
And what?
Slamming the laurel. Oh, no, there's not a laurel.
Exactly the thing he said he wouldn't do when he bought the car.
True.
Stance it?
Putting sick wheels on it.
Yeah. So you got new wheels. There's a heat gun right here, and there's a fender roller over there.
So we know where this is going.
So we know, yeah, exactly.
So once again, I did a really fun thing where I bought wheels for a car that don't quite fit. So once again, we did this what, 2 years ago?
No,
This was last year on the Laurel.
last year for good.
Here we go again.
Boys.
Should I just show them the wheels to start? Might as well, right? I tease them enough with like, oh, you gotta wait till the end. So, what wheels are these? Because I still don't know.
Work T7Rs.
Bam. Work T7Rs. These guys. Gunmetal gray. With really expensive center caps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
18 by 9.5 plus 30. So, a little bit of meat.
Yeah. What are your tires?
235, 4018.
All the way around?
No, rears are 245s.
Okay. Are these both fronts here?
Those are both fronts.
So 235 40 18s in the front, and then where's your rears?
Dude, these have a
Here they are. 245 40 18 for the rears because Steven wants to try and get grip with
grip?
all the horsepowers that he has.
So he's decided to go with an all-season tire.
So we're also gonna test fit these on the speed. Not today, but
Oh, you actually consider mine as the speed?
Oh, these
Maybe.
are actually 9.5.
they're 8.5s and 9.5s.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why I think they might fit. Okay, so we're test fitting
We are test fitting.
with the new tires. You have test fitted it.
I test fit
Whoa.
with 265s
English.
on, and they were way too big.
Buddy, already
Oh, buddy. You need like the you have like the tiniest little poke.
Yeah.
You need like a little bit of a roll.
Buddy, when it's lowered, it probably camera's in enough.
True. Yeah, they're like, well, let's see how they look from the back. Oh, yeah.
It's cambering nicely. Oh, I don't think it's enough. Well, yeah, you're gonna. No, you need a roll.
It's not enough. You need a roll, but it's not
I don't
like
think you need
poking
a
as
pull.
much.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna need a pull.
Can lower it a little more.
It's on the wood now, so. Oh! Is that all the way down?
You just need. Yeah, you just need.
That's all the way down?
Yeah.
Damn. Holy, it's like touching.
You need a roll.
Holy.
Oh my god, we've got like.
No, the fitment's perfect.
The fitment is perfect. You need a roll and you're freaking minty, dude. You could even lower it.
I'm probably gonna have to pull a bit. No, dude, if anything, the car's getting raised.
No.
Yes.
It's too high as is.
Car's getting raised.
No, why? No. Dude, it's already gonna be raised because you put bigger tires on.
I'm just like ecstatic about the way it already looks.
Yeah, it looks so good.
Is that all the way down? Like
It's all the way down.
Wow. Okay.
Looks so good.
All right, so my math was correct.
You pumped?
I'm pumped to use them. I'm not really pumped to roll.
Why?
It takes so long.
Big deal.
Actually, I should probably get like.
The initial roll is easy. It doesn't take much time.
You should probably get your hammer out.
Yep.
Because that's the scary part.
You
A zip tie? Yeah, actually. I drive a 240. You think I don't drive around with zip ties in there? Okay, Damien, do you want to explain the process of rolling? In basic terms, basically?
Basically, you gotta heat up the paint and the metal, but mainly you're worried about the paint from cracking. So you heat it up, make it soft, a little bit soft, and then you roll slowly. You add a little bit at a time, and then, you know. But it's important to heat it up, and if you want to get really technical, you can use a little laser heat gun. And there's like an ideal temperature you're supposed to reach, or you can just guess.
Like what we're doing. I guess we should explain why you roll, just in case people don't know. Basically, on the rear fenders, there's like, it comes down and then there's a lip inside of here. So right here, there's a lip and you can put your like hand inside of it. So you roll this up so that when you lower, this isn't gonna get shredded by this lip. I know it's really probably hard to tell, but basically we're just bending this up against this. So you wanna make sure you really clean this out as well, or else, you're just gonna trap dirt in there and moisture, and then it can rust, and nobody wants rusty quarters. So, after about how long, Steven?
About half an hour?
Half an hour?
I mean, was that about half an hour? Yeah, something like that.
We are, I'm not going to be able to show you very well, but we are completely fat. We're completely fat now, apparently. It's kind of hard to show you, but we are completely flat all the way down, and then just like up here, obviously you don't need to roll all the way down. It's just this main portion right here. And yeah, now those wheels are gonna fit absolutely mint. Now on to fender number 2, which I won't record because it's just the same thing. So we got some toys going on. This is Steven and his dad's 68 Mustang. Super, super insane. Damien's just doing some stuff. And then good old dad got a new car, new daily.
Oh, hey everybody.
Hey everybody. So tell us about your new car.
Oh, this is a Celsior. It's basically an LS430. Factory, it comes with air ride, and this is the fully loaded like Yakuza edition. So it's got like all the shit in the back, and yeah, it's actually airing out right now.
Yeah, so it's very slowly airing down. Oh, you can actually see it really well.
Just had a full cup polish, so it looks like glass.
Yeah. Get the glass shot, look at that.
It's probably really dirty because I drove.
So it's got new wheels. They actually suit the car really, really well,
Yeah,
hey?
it turned out really well.
So you're running 15 spacers right now?
Yeah, but I've ordered Block Sports 8 mil.
Because when you air all the way down, it's sitting on the fender.
It sits on the fenders and then stops airing down because I can't go any further. The whole front of the car sits on the front fenders when the air out right now.
That's really good.
Yeah.
That's really good. Yeah, so this car is full VIP. So before we continue with anything, we gotta
show them the door. Show them
yeah,
the
that's what I'm doing right now.
the door. It like
So
sucks it in.
You barely have to close it, and then it sucks the door in itself, so it's really cool. Yeah, so you know, when you're sitting back here and like you don't have a front passenger, all you have to do is hold this guy right here, and then very slowly, probably just time lapse this really quick. So yeah, it gets inconvenient, as Brandon was just saying, but then wait for it. Whoa, bam, and you have a full seating. And then if you're feeling really luxurious, it's gonna be hard for you guys to see this, but oh yeah, you can see it. The seat is
that like a little drop down tray in the back?
so we'll just keep holding this, and currently the seat is reclining. And then if you want your head to be more comfortable, you can push this up. Very nice, very nice. So you can lean your head back nicely, and then the best part, right? This button right here. Maybe you can hear it.
Getting the massage?
I am.
But it's too dark in here, Travis. What are you gonna do about that? I mean, it's too bright in here. What are you gonna do?
It's too
about
bright in here.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do first off. Oh
No.
Oh, that's because your door's open.
You're gonna go ahead and open the armrest there, and you're gonna press the big button.
Oh, right. So just with one touch, it's a little darker in here.
Yeah.
And then if we actually shut the door, you can like barely see me. So Brandon can probably barely see us, even though we can see him clear as day. So I'm currently getting a massage. I have the AC blowing on me very nicely. Also, if it's even too dark with just the tint, pull this bad boy up and boom, sunshade. So you can actually have the window down, but still not have that. So yeah, you can also set where you want this to be when you first start the car, I'm assuming, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
The fridge is fully stocked at the moment.
So yeah, we also have a fully stocked nude fridge. Yeah. So stocked at all times. It is cooled by AC, so you're always gonna have a nice cold one for when your chauffeur is driving you around. Yeah, it doesn't get much better than this. It's the luxurious life. You can also turn the intensity up, I believe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you press the back massager enough, it's like a full massage. You can barely see me in here because it's so dark. Believe it or not, this car has a V8 and currently is running, even though you can barely hear it.
Yeah, very quiet.
So aero status after that little showing of the inside, we are now sitting on the tire. Yeah, and we are fully aired out. For a factory air suspension, pretty damn good.
It's got like an eBay Japanese aftermarket suspension controller. You wouldn't be able to do this without it.
Ah,
Yeah.
Good to know, good to know.
Yeah, it's the biggest piece of shit I've ever used in my life, but it seems to work, so.
So yeah, this is Brandon's new daily. Okay, so we're all arguing right now.
Everyone in the comments, should Steven lower the S15?
Like, okay, you need like 69% of the height you have now, and it would be mint.
69%. That's quite a big
You have
drop.
now, yes.
So what he's saying is like put your fenders on the tire.
No,
I'm just kidding.
69% would bring it down to proper ride height.
Yeah, you seriously need to come down like the littlest bit, dude.
Like, it looks like the Celsius.
Okay, look, if anything's gonna stop him, it's gonna be the front. There's not much room in the front in S15s for
No,
down
I think
much.
the fronts actually need to be raised.
So
I think the tires
shut
need
up.
to sit.
Alright, put the front tires and those front wheels on, see what needs to be done. And
How's
then
your
let's hope
hub?
for a ripski. And
Lower?
go hit some other people saying, oh, if only it was a little lower.
Your hub
Yeah.
board versus the wheel board.
What are you doing?
He's gonna air down.
Hopefully. Give it convenience.
I got that too. Oh, I'm so happy.
That's just like throw gas.
Yeah. Good job, Steven. How to block out the haters.
I just roll forward and then.
Okay, but seriously, you look like a 17-year-old kid who buys his first 240 and he's like, oh, I'm gonna lower it, and then doesn't lower it enough. Your car looks like what my car looks like right now.
Just like.
But I'll actually can mine, that's the thing. Full can.
front
That's
will tell
because you're a
all.
17-year-old kid.
If there's a wheel gap in the front, we got problems.
21.
Oh, dude, I think.
I knew you'd
21.
like that. 21.
I'm actually really worried.
What's 9 plus 10?
Huh? It's gonna be mid to lower.
21.
Steven, what the hell are we doing? Why is there a potato peeler in your hand, and why are you holding your rim and wheel
So
and tire?
my math was a little off, and this rim guard. Well, actually, no. Sorry. If I didn't have these tires,
You'd be fine.
I would be fine.
So
But there's a rim guard here.
He's running Pilot Sports, and Pilot Sports fit big, so these are 235s.
These are 235,
but they fit
yeah.
like a 245 or 255. I can't remember.
So this tiny little rim guard that's here, this bastard, is
Rubbing.
ever so slightly by like maybe a millimeter touching my coil. So part of me just says send it, just let it
Wear
rub down.
itself out.
But part of me also says like
Let's not.
let me like do this, you know. I don't even know what I'm trying to say here. This is like pretty jank of holding a potato peeler on a tire.
Yeah.
But anyways, I want to like shave this down. I'm not too sure how this works. And boss
We're
man
gonna
told me
see
This is the wrong potato peeler for the job.
Because you want the
It'll
kind that you
work.
pull.
Yeah,
but
but
doable.
shout out Vancouver Police Department.
Brand new blades in like all.
Okay, change of plans. We're going with a.
Hopefully it's not too
X-Acto
thin,
knife.
but it'll do.
I've got thicker ones in here, so.
That's right. Well, yeah, but big
try
knife
this
is not going to work. This is super sharp.
Please
This
don't
is
do
really
this at home.
stupid. No one do this.
Yeah. This is just like Stance Boy stuff.
You know that there was a fat that I saw that went around for a while?
Easy. Look at this.
Oh my god, you're cutting so much.
Yeah. There's like 2 inches. How? You want these to fit or not?
Oh my god, dude. I didn't think you were gonna cut that much.
How much are you gonna cut?
Like a hair?
The hair's not enough.
I'm just waiting for.
There's the sidewall. Never mind. No, it's not. Anyways, it's all you.
No, I can't do that.
You gotta keep going on it.
I can't do that.
It's
dude.
perfect
all
though.
you.
It takes off just enough. I'm not doing that.
Dude, I can't do that.
What? You
Oh, that's
How
actually,
much
okay, to be
sidewall
fair,
is
it didn't
there?
actually, not a whole lot
There's-
came off.
That's not a potato peeler.
No, the potato peel's not didn't work.
Don't let me do this with my Michael J. Fox.
I'm gonna cut too much.
Oh my god.
No, dude. There's so much. Dude, I've sawed through one of these before. There's so much sidewall. I don't want to be liable for this.
Okay, you have to say on record, this is not on him.
He's not responsible.
Okay, I got you.
Because it's either I wait and like I get like another spacer, but I want to drive this thing.
A cop's gonna play over and be like, "Turn your wheel all the way." What happened to your sidewall?
There was a fat going.
You're not allowed to rotate these tires, eh? Can you not include this in the video?
Oh, this is getting included in the video.
I'm fine.
You are not liable for this.
I'm not.
Do you remember, like,
Don't
every time
include
we
me
work on
doing
it?
it though. I don't want to be seen doing this.
You're
Yes.
already seen, dude.
This is way beyond me.
Look at this. Brand new tires.
Dude, there is so much meat right there. It's a rim guard.
Okay, why don't you just... Yeah, okay, so explain why this is okay.
Listen, if you go to Google it online, but there's a rim guard here. It's an extra piece. They basically put an extra flap on here so it covers up the edge of your rim so that when you hit a curb, you don't damage your rim. We're just removing it. It's not fucking rocket appliances.
Still sketch.
And I don't
So
want to
don't
be
do
seen
it at
doing
home.
this. I don't want. I'm literally. Travis is not allowed to include me doing this.
I'm
video.
including this, sorry.
No.
Being included.
Editing, Travis, keep all of this
Okay, fine.
in.
Listen, disclaimer. These are not. This car's not for the road. These rims are not for the road.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a track-only used car.
This is literally going only on the track.
Wait.
Shut up. This is only for the track.
Right.
Can you please not include me doing that? Just get a shot of him doing the other one. Please. I really
You think
don't-
he's gonna do the
I
other one?
really-
Yeah, right.
Yes.
No, I'm not doing the other one. Not happening.
I don't want to be seen doing that. It might not even work.
If it doesn't work, I'll cut all this out. If it works, I'm keeping everything in.
That's so funny.
Damien's like, I'm gonna flag that video.
It's like it's so funny that that is a possibility, and it just looks so weird. But yeah, I'm having some trouble.
Okay, he's on the brakes.
Because that's what I kicked in. I literally walked up to it and I'm like, what am I doing here?
Losing your mind? On today's episode of How Long Does It Take to Put On a...
I can't even see the hole anymore.
Keep holding.
We need to do the coilover thing.
Oh yeah, we need the coilover thing and then the
Dun, da, da, da.
Oh my god, they had him hooked up to something.
Oh, baby. She looks so good.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are on the ground now, obviously. And fitment is looking aggressive. It looks really good. Really, really good. I like it.
Yeah, tie-ups. Yeah.
We're looking real good, boys. Real good. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. This was really good. So the next video is most likely going to be my fender rolling and lowering my car. So as per usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.